So let's take a look at today's trading for the DAX, the Germany 40. It's the 25th of March, 2025. It's Adrian here, head of trading at Trendsignal. I'm streaming out of Cranfield University Technology Centre, and I want to have a look at the trades that have happened today for the DAX and go through exactly where we're looking at those opportunities. And I'm not going to take too long over each trade. There's been plenty of opportunities there and we'll be here forever. So let's just have a look at those opportunities. Once we get the open out of the way, give it a few minutes there. Really looking from sort of 7:30, open at 8 o'clock. We get a nice opening trade there, say opening at around 7:30, 7:28. Nice buy trade. As it meets the rules there. It's a with trend standard trade, followed by another little buy on the close here. Nice 10 points, minimum 10 points is kind of what we're looking for there before the market started to reverse, but plenty of opportunity to snatch a few points profit there. Then we roll into a short, an explosive standard trade arrow on the outside of this channel, looking to short as the price goes through the arrow into the sell zone. Red lines on the chart here, giving us another short here. Market falling quite significantly from there. No way we're not making profits on that opportunity. What then happens is the market then starts to break up, and again we're looking for that rules-based approach. The market then breaking into the buy zone here, arrow outside the channel, explosive buy trade, green lines here, tick, tick, tick. It meets our three rules, and that's a buy trade. Moving on really nicely, straight out of the gate. That's 3 or 4 really nice trades. One marginal one, but we definitely could have got out at break even at worst on that opportunity there. Really nice movement so far. Market then pulls sideways, doesn't quite make an opportunity, but we do get a rules-based entry here. Explosive standard trade, green lines, taking out that arrow once again. And again, after faffing about for the first couple of moments, that's okay. The markets are going to do that. The market then really started to get some decent ground in our favor. Let's move forward. Let's just go through the next few bars. Again, the type of trades that we're looking for are standard trades, which we're going to focus on. No short here. Would have been if the arrow was on the outside of the channel, but it wasn't. So not a trade, but we do get one here. Another buy trade here. Another little buy trade here. It goes up about 17 points there. Pretty nice. Another buy trade here. Pretty nice. Another buy trade here. And again, these are 2-minute charts. So these opportunities, we're only really looking at being in them for a few minutes time. Sometimes, especially if you're going for 10 points, might only be 2 or 3 minutes. If you are looking to run those trades as you become a bit more experienced, again, the opportunity to move your stop loss up, locking in further profit is exactly what we teach traders to do. There's ample opportunity for that also. Let's just move forward a little bit and we start to get into the afternoon. The market then starts to reverse back the other way. We get our next trade here, our first short trade. Oops, pressed the wrong drawing tool there. We get our first short trade for the day. No, stop here. Again, explosive short trade, red lines, breaking back in the sell zone. Really nice move, falling, 25, 30 points within 4 minutes. Moves higher. No trade. There's our short trade with the trend, in line with the trend, red lines, arrow moving down, close below the pink line, and again, down this market goes. And finally here, down this market goes. And again, what you're looking there is clear rules-based trading opportunities. Man, that may not be so clear for you because you may not understand our strategies at this point, but that's okay. That's what our live webinar is really all about. So again, it's not without loss. That's a loss-making trading opportunity, and that's going to be fine. That's going to be normal, and we'll teach you how to deal with that. But we do roll into a nice winning trade here for, again, some more decent profit. So what have we got there? Sort of 10, 12 trades over the course of the day, all of them moving to at least 10 points, some of them going to sort of 40, 50 points plus, plenty of opportunity out of today's market. And if you want to understand more about the rules-based entries that we look at, but also B, how we look to manage those trades to maximize our profit potential, then absolutely get yourself booked in for one of our live trading webinars. Now, somewhere on this page, there should be the opportunity to book in for a live event. Get yourself booked into it. We'll teach you exactly how it works. We'll apply it to live markets, and we'll start to boost your trading understanding. We'll see you online soon.
Want to learn how to find profitable trades like this? Register for our free trading webinar and discover the strategies that turn you into a confident trader. Prefer a more hands-on approach? Schedule a one-to-one walkthrough with a senior trader. See our software in action and get those questions answered and take control of your trading journey.